Hey, it's DV2 coming to you with a granite cutting board. This is a 12 by inch granite cutting board from Home Depot, and it costs $20.78. As you can see, it's a very good size. We used to have a wooden cutting board, but they ended up getting scratches and cuts in it and everything, and that can gather bacteria. And even though if you put in dishwasher, we're not really sure if it's getting clean well. So we went with Granite. And for this, you have to clean hand wash. And I'll leave some information at the end of the video, or probably make another video on how to keep your marble cutting board clean. It says, like, some read the little product overview on the website. It says that construction of granite makes it moisture resistant, so you don't have to worry about it gathering bacteria. Also, it has a rubberized base protection from getting scratches in it, and it's suitable for serving appetizers or making cooking ingredients. So you can like put this on a table somewhere and it'll look really nice and everything like that. So I'll probably leave some information at the end of the video, or like I said, I'll make another video explaining how to keep this clean. Stay tuned for another video. I have a stainless steel saucepan that I got from Walmart at a good price. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.